Revolutionizing the ultra-compact drone landscape is something DJI has mastered over the last few generations. But what is currently brewing behind closed laboratory doors for the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be an absolute game-changer for content creators, commercial pilots, and casual flyers alike. For months, industry insiders, supply chain analysts, and patent sleuths have been piecing together a mysterious puzzle surrounding DJI's next sub 240-gram flagship, and the picture that is emerging completely reshapes our expectations of what an ultralight drone can achieve. The leap from the Mini 3 Pro to the Mini 4 Pro brought refined omnidirectional obstacle sensing and flagship 04 transmission. But the upcoming Mini 6 Pro is rumored to shatter the physical boundaries of light-tier aviation by introducing hardware capabilities previously reserved exclusively for heavy enterprise and cinema-grade platforms. If you have been contemplating upgrading your current setup or waiting for the ultimate portable aerial camera, understanding every single rumor, leaked engineering detail, and expected feature release for this prospective titan is crucial before you spend another dollar. To truly understand why the tech community is buzzing with anticipation, we have to look directly at the single most critical component of any aerial platform: the camera system. Leaks circulating from reliable supply chain channels suggest that DJI engineering teams are pushing the absolute physical limit of sensor integration while strictly adhering to the ultra-important 249-gram threshold. Early rumors hinted at the possibility of a massive 1-inch image sensor making its way into the Mini series, a feat once deemed impossible without adding prohibitive weight. However, recent schematic disclosures point toward a specialized stacked CMOS sensor architecture paired with a customized wide aperture lens system. This innovative stacking technology allows the sensor to absorb exponentially more light and process dynamic range far beyond standard mobile or compact camera sensors, delivering pristine low-light performance, dramatically reduced noise in evening shots, and stunning highlight retention that rivals dedicated mid-tier cinema cameras. Photographers and videographers can expect native 10-bit D-Log M color profiles alongside dynamic, high dynamic range video recording capabilities, offering immense latitude in post-production color grading. Complementing this updated sensor hardware is a completely overhauled image processing engine, internally referred to as next-generation vision synthesis. This chip isn't just about rendering sharper pixels. It brings advanced computational photography directly into the sky. Expect real-time night scene enhancements driven by localized neural processing, allowing pilots to capture clean, noise-free cityscape footage in near pitch-black conditions. Furthermore, frame rate capabilities are expected to take a massive leap forward. Insiders suggest the Mini 6 Pro will support 4K resolution video recording at up to 120 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow-motion playback, as well as high-speed continuous raw photo capture with zero shutter lag. For social media creators demanding vertical content, DJI is set to take the true vertical shooting mechanism even further, featuring a redesigned 3-axis mechanical gimbal capable of rotating 90 degrees while offering enhanced tilt angles for dramatic low-angle landscape and tracking shots. Safety and autonomous navigation have always been core pillars of the Mini Pro lineup, and the rumors surrounding the Mini 6 Pro's obstacle avoidance suite suggest an unprecedented evolutionary leap. While the previous generation introduced omnidirectional binocular vision sensors, the Mini 6 Pro is heavily rumored to integrate miniaturized solid-state LiDAR sensors alongside high-resolution night vision optical cameras. This hybrid sensing array allows the drone to construct an ultra-precise, real-time, three-dimensional map of its surroundings, even in complex environments like dense forests, narrow urban alleys, or zero-light scenarios where traditional optical sensors traditionally fail. Paired with updated active tracking software, the Mini 6 Pro will be capable of predicting trajectory paths, seamlessly dodging moving obstacles, dynamically maneuvering through dense tree canopies, and maintaining continuous subject lock on high-speed subjects like cyclists, sports cars, or trail runners with effortless precision. Flight time and battery chemistry represent another major front where DJI continues to push structural and chemical innovation, staying under the crucial regulatory mark of 249 grams, while adding high-powered processing components and advanced sensing hardware requires extreme weight management. Rumors indicate that DJI is deploying ultralight carbon composite structural framing alongside new high-density silicon anode battery technology. This next-generation battery cell design provides higher energy density per gram, potentially pushing standard flight times past 38 minutes on a single standard pack, while an optional intelligent flight battery plus could unlock flight times approaching nearly 50 minutes for regions without strict weight regulations. Furthermore, thermal management has been entirely re-engineered, featuring silent aerodynamic cooling channels that prevent thermal throttling during continuous high bitrate video recording in hot climate conditions. Transmission technology forms the vital backbone of pilot confidence, and the Mini 6 Pro is expected to debut an updated iteration of DJI's proprietary transmission protocol, likely named O5 Video Transmission. Utilizing intelligent multi-band frequency switching, enhanced anti-interference algorithms, and optimized antenna positioning within the foldable arms, this updated system promises rock-solid live feed stability up to distances exceeding 20 kilometers under ideal conditions. More importantly for urban creators, the system is designed to penetrate dense electronic interference, maintaining a crisp, low-latency 1080p or even 4K live view feed on the controller display regardless of wireless clutter. Whether maneuvering behind concrete architecture or flying low across open water, pilots will experience continuous responsiveness and crystal-clear visual feedback. In terms of controller compatibility and software integration, industry leaks hint at a new generation of smart remote controllers featuring high-brightness, sunlight-readable touchscreens, longer internal battery life, and enhanced ergonomics. Software features inside the flight interface will incorporate AI-assisted shot suggestions, automated cinematic path planning, and instant master shots capabilities that turn complex manual flight maneuvers into single-tap automated cinematic sequences. Remote content transfer will also receive a massive speed upgrade, leveraging high-speed Wi-Fi 7 protocols for seamless wireless offloading directly to smartphones or tablet devices without requiring cables or removing microSD storage cards. Pricing and official release timing remain among the most fiercely discussed aspects of the Mini 6 Pro rumor cycle. Analyzing historical product launch cadences and current supply chain developments points toward an official announcement targeting late spring or early autumn, strategically positioned ahead of peak holiday travel seasons. Given the substantial technology upgrades, premium optical hardware, and advanced sensor integration, industry experts project a slight price adjustment compared to previous generations, positioning the base drone package competitively while offering comprehensive Fly More combos with smart controllers for serious content creators looking for a complete field-ready kit.